Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add a contact form on your GoDaddy website. So first of all, log into your account, then click your profile name on the top right and go to your products page. Now you need to scroll down until you will see websites and marketing. You need to expand this section, and right here we'll see manage. You need to click it. Then click edit website on the right side. Now you can create a separate page. You can click this plus icon and create a contact page first of all. But for example, you want to add a contact form on the main page. I will show you how to do it. So you need to click this plus icon between these sections, or you can just do it on the bottom. It already is here, guys. As you can see on my website, there is already a contact form, but I will show you as an example. For example, I want to add a contact form on the bottom right here. So I will click add section, and in the search, I need to search for contact. As you can see, here is contact us form, and there are different templates. So I can use one of them. For example, guys, I will use this one. So let's click add button right here. And as you can see, I added a contact form on my GoDaddy website. So if everything is fine, you can click the publish on top, and that's all. See you in the next video update.